If you want to get a bug wall screen, there are 2 ways you can do it. One way, you can order on the Bug Wall website. You can give them a call and place your order if you want to do it that way. And they can mail these screens anywhere in the world. So those of you in Australia, you want to go camping and not bring in the bugs into your van, this is a great way to go. But if you live in the United States, Canada, or Mexico, you could drive to the Bug Wall and they'll install it for you for no additional charge. And Jeff and I, we're like, you know what? We're Conway?
Yeah, we're in Conway.
We're in Conway, South Carolina. And guess what? It's not like the middle of nowhere with nothing fun to do. How far away are we from Myrtle Beach?
Oh, about 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes from the ocean. And there's all kinds of fun things to do in Myrtle Beach. Jeff and I are thinking we want to stay an extra night here just to have fun. What are some good places that you recommend in the Myrtle Beach area to like eat or fun things to do?
So, one of the biggest family destinations on the whole East Coast. If you enjoy golfing, there's I think we have the most golf courses per square mile area in the United States.
Wow. Cool.
Or one of the top ones. There's always the ocean and beach.
Ocean and beach, that's me.
Restaurant-wise, there's plenty of good seafood. Myrtle's Inlet is great for kind of walking on their boardwalk. Myrtle Beach's boardwalk. Oh boy, we got a plethora of outdoor shopping and family entertainment stuff. It's definitely,
I saw some putt-putt golf.
Lots of putt-putt. We got lots of putt-putt. Yeah. If it's, you can bring the kids and have a good time, or you can just make an adult trip too. We got plenty of good restaurants.
You really do. And I'll say, not all Cracker Barrels will let you sleep in the parking lot. And there is a Cracker Barrel in Myrtle Beach that has no overnight parking. But there's one in that inlet place.
Murrell's Inlet?
Murrell's Inlet has a wonderful Cracker Barrel. We showed up late last night and
they have RV parking marked.
Yeah, they have RV parking, and they were very kind and said, sure, you can spend the night. So we had dinner last night and breakfast this morning at Cracker Barrel before heading up here, and it's just a few minutes away. It was great.
Have you tried the state parks?
Oh yeah, state parks are great. Myrtle Beach State Park is a fantastic place to camp. Huntington Beach State Park also. Both those are within 20 minutes of here at our shop and camping on the ocean. Both those campgrounds touch the beach and have beaches. They're beautiful, and we have a bunch of larger RV parks that are family vacation. During the summer they're a little booked out, but the other times of year they're going to have beaches, water slides, pools, you name it. They got it all.
Cool beans. So come out here for vacation and get your bug walls installed.
That's it.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Dutch, for helping us out and installing. And it took under an hour for him to do 2 sets of screens. That was so awesome.
Yeah. Cool.
Thanks.
All right, everybody. Hold on to your anchor moments and make it a bug-free day. Bye-bye.